Hi, today we are going to learn how to configure the BuddyPress integration add-on for CM Applications plugin. The CM Applications plugin can receive social features by integrating with BuddyPress. The integration allows your users to add and view applications directly from their BuddyPress profiles. Besides the CM Applications plugin and BuddyPress, you also need to install and activate the CM Applications BuddyPress integration add-on. Upon installing and activating the license for it, new settings will become available. To configure the add-on, navigate to CM Applications Pro, Settings, BuddyPress tab. It has the following options. Show Locations tab in the user's profile. If enabled, the users will see the Locations tab in each user's profile. This tab displays the locations created by the specific user. Location Featured Image. Choose if to display a location featured image next to each location snippet in the user's profile page. Manage Locations button under Locations tab. If enabled, the users will be able to manage their locations under the same tab Locations. Show Separate Manage Locations tab in the user's profile. If enabled, the user will see the Manage Locations tab in his profile and will be able to edit or delete locations added by him. Create BuddyPress activity when user created a location. Enable it if you want the add-on to automatically add a new activity post to the BuddyPress feed when the user adds a new location. Activity post template for new location. Edit the template for the activity post on the user's activity feed added after a user created a new location. You can use the following shortcodes for adding dynamic content. Full name to show user's display name, title to show location's title, permalink to show permalink to the location page, and excerpt to show excerpt of the location's description. Associate groups with location. If enabled, the users will be able to associate BuddyPress groups with locations. Groups privacy. Choose the privacy level for the group associated with locations. Have a note that the groups features require the user groups component to be enabled. This can be configured in BuddyPress settings, and you can add the groups under the relevant page. If the settings are proper, users will be able to set the groups when creating or editing the location. There is also a set of front-end labels related to the BuddyPress integration which you can edit. To edit them, head to the Labels tab. Scroll down to the section BuddyPress. You can find there the following labels. Configuration is done. Click the button Save to save the changes. Now let's check the result on the front end. Under the Locations tab, you can see the list of created by you locations. Clicking on the button Show Map will show the map with users' locations. Click on any location to see full information about it. To see the list of created locations by another user, you need to go to his profile and click the Locations tab. To create and manage your locations, you need to get back to your profile and either click the button Manage Locations under the Locations tab or head to the Manage Locations tab. The process of adding and editing locations is the same as in the base plugin. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you and your users should be able to add multiple locations to your site from the BuddyPress profile. Thanks for watching the video.